Hello guys, once again welcome back in GFS Tech YouTube channel. So today I will demonstrate you how to insert the data into the SQL Server Management Studio. So I will let you know. Let's begin. We will move into the SQL Server. So how we will insert the data now I will show you that. So I think last time we already created that the table and but this time I will show you the how to insert the data into the table. So last time I think we have created the student table in ABC database. So select a star from a student. So we want to first we will run the select command. To run the select command, what you will have to do, you have to just select and then you can execute from here. So the command will select, or if we want to, or if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, then you have to press the F5. So it will run F5, and now we will have to insert the data into the student table. So how we will insert the data into the student table? Insert into student. So values. So what data we want to insert, that means there are the three columns there inside the student table: student ID, student name, and student mobile number. So we want to insert that this data. So id we have given that 8, and student name we will give in a single code, and mobile number also we will give in a single code. So mobile number we can directly give like this, or into the single code. Mobile number also we can give in a single code, because we have provided the data type as a varchar. So what we will give there means the name means Priya, and from Delhi. And the same thing, if we want to insert the multiple record, so we will just press the comma, and then we will insert the 9, and then name Deepu, and then from Mumbai. So sorry, we will have to give the number. So 7292775, and same we will have to give the number here also, because mobile number we have given the column name 8989695452. So now we will select this command, and we will press F5 from the keyboard shortcut. So what is arithmetic overflow, converting varchar to numeric? So why this error is coming? Because we have given that student mobile number as a numeric, but we are trying to insert into as a numeric value. Means we are trying to in numeric column we are trying to insert as a means what value? String value. So that because of that it is error is coming. So what we will do, we will remove this comma from here, so it will work now. Again it is telling that the what it is telling, arithmetic overflow error, converting the numeric data type to numeric. So why it is giving, if you see this 5 6 7 8 9 10, we have given the overflow error is coming. What error is? Arithmetic overflow. Means the range we have given 10, but we are inserting into 11 character there. So 11 number, because of that that is coming. Now if we will remove that, now this time it will work. Got it? So this record is inserted successfully now. So, or if you want to insert the single record, then what you will do, insert into table. Directly you can select insert into table 8 means values, value, you can give the value, which value you want to give, means insert into student. What is that? Student student, then value, and then name is what? Pratik. And then final, what we will do, we will give the mobile number of him, so 091856545. So this is his mobile number. So so now record is inserted successfully. Select star from student, and see that now the record is inserted successfully into the table. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning.